Have you ever felt like people don't take you seriously, even when you know you're smart? It isn't always about your IQ. Sometimes it's about your behavior. The truth is, you don't look unintelligent because you are. You look that way because of small habits you haven't even noticed. Today, we're going to expose those habits. In this video, I'll show you 5 signs that silently destroy your image and cause people to underestimate you. I'll also show you exactly how to fix them. Watch until the end, because the last sign is the most dangerous of all. Sign 1. Talking without thinking. You don't pause, you don't process, you just speak. Most of the time, you end up saying things you didn't even mean. Psychologically, people associate self-control with intelligence. The less control you show, the less capable you appear. When you interrupt others or react instantly, you don't look confident. You look impulsive. Pause for 2 seconds before speaking. Silence doesn't make you look weak, it makes you look powerful. Sign 2. Trying too hard to prove you're smart. You correct people unnecessarily, use big words for the sake of it, and constantly try to show off your knowledge. But here's the irony. The harder you try to look smart, the more insecure you appear. Truly intelligent people don't need external validation. They embody it. Speak simply. Clarity is a much higher sign of intelligence than complexity. Sign 3. Laughing at everything. You laugh at every joke, even when it isn't funny. You agree with everything, even when you don't mean it. Why? Because you want to be liked. In reality, this makes people lose respect for you because it signals that you don't have your own opinion. It is okay to disagree. Respect comes from authenticity, not constant approval. Sign 4. Over-explaining yourself. You explain, then explain again, then justify your explanation. This usually comes from a fear of being misunderstood. However, others see it differently. They think, if you were confident, you wouldn't need to justify yourself so much. Over-explaining makes you look unsure, even when you're right. Say it once. Say it clearly. Then stop. Confidence is brief. Sign 5. Seeking constant attention. You always want to be seen, heard, and validated. This attention-seeking behavior sends a hidden message. I'm not enough unless people notice me. People can feel that desperate energy. The more you chase attention, the less seriously people will take you. Focus on value, not visibility. When you become valuable, attention follows naturally. Those are the 5 signs that can make you look foolish, even if you're actually brilliant. Remember, intelligence isn't just about what you know. It's about how you present yourself. Fix these small habits, and you'll notice a powerful shift. People will start listening to you more, respecting you more, and finally taking you seriously. If this video made you think, make sure to subscribe. The next video might just change the way the world sees you forever.